I got to tell you is that as many homeowners that were impacted by the recent Hurricane-Beryl, they're rebuilding their homes, they're making major repairs to their homes, and we're getting a lot of phone calls coming into us as contractors are looking to pull permits for rebuilding garages, for rebuilding certain aspects of the house itself. And that's very touching. But I want to make sure that everybody knows that if you're a contractor, if you're a project owner, and or either an architect, that you're assisting homeowners and or either could be commercial property owners, that you're making sure that you're doing the due diligence in order to get a building permit.